Did you know that hostages once defended their kidnapper on live television and later visited him in prison as a friend? In August 1973, a career criminal named Jan Erik Olsson walked into Kreditbanken in Stockholm with a submachine gun and took 4 bank employees into the vault. He demanded money, a getaway car, and the release of his imprisoned friend Clark Olofsson. Police agreed to bring Clark in. Then they sealed the building and waited. For 6 days, those 4 people lived inside a vault with 2 armed men. No sunlight, no space, complete dependency. Something strange began happening almost immediately. The hostages started fearing the police more than their captors. They made phone calls defending Olsson. One woman said she felt safer with him than with law enforcement. When police pumped tear gas into the vault on day 6, the hostages shook hands with their captors before surrendering. Afterward, they refused to testify against them. One later got engaged to Olsson. Psychiatrists had no name for it yet. They invented one: Stockholm Syndrome. The vault had rewritten their reality entirely.